So we found A&E Brothers on the internet and read a bunch of positive reviews. After the estimate process, we decided to go with A&E Brothers to finish all of the flooring, the walls, all of the finishing work, and the staircase, including this brick wall that was put up. Before any work was done, we had cinder block walls, completely unfinished flooring, basic electrical, but no outlet switches or lighting included. So this was just a decorative idea we had. We thought it would look nice behind the televisions as like a feature wall to do brick. To really go along with like the natural woods. The A&E Brothers crew was here on time every day. They let us know of any issues they were coming across or any questions that they had along the way. There was a good amount of communication between the employees and us as the homeowners. If ever we had any questions, we felt comfortable coming to the A&E crew and talking to them about it. So during the project, if we ever called Armin from A&E Brothers, we always had a response within a reasonable amount of time, and if we had a question, I feel like we always got an answer, whether he came back to us or had an answer on the spot. So that was, I felt like Armin from A&E Brothers was very reliable and trustworthy throughout the whole process. Originally, our basement was completely unfinished, so it had a concrete floor and a cinder block walls and partially finished ceiling and no finished walls. The staircase was original, basic, and not as structural or sturdy as we would have liked. I would recommend A&E Brothers to friends and family if they were looking to have renovation work done. We are very happy with the quality of the work and the materials that were used, and also the time frame. We had set an expectation for the project, and that was met.